In this video, we are making meatball sub boats. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. First thing to do is cook the meatballs. I already cooked my bag of Italian-style meatballs, so now I'm going to make the boats. The first step to making the boats is to take some steak rolls and cut a rectangle out of the center. Once you have all your rolls cut out, you will then add and spread some marinara sauce inside your roll. After the marinara, add a thin layer of mozzarella cheese. Now it's time to add the meatballs. Just take your cooked meatballs and line them up in your roll. When you're done with the meatballs, you will just add some more marinara and mozzarella cheese on top of the meatballs. Lastly, we are going to put the boats in the oven at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Just like that, we have our meatball sub boats. Now let's see how they taste.
So what are we calling these things?
Meatball sub boats.
Alright, I'm gonna get a big bite. Ready? Let's try it on the other end. Now good. If you ever like the meatball sub from Subway, you gotta try this. You can, obviously add your own toppings probably, but it's good. Gotta try it. Thumbs up.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go check out our other cooking videos and playlists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.